Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the recipe for Gnocco Fritto. Gnocco Fritto is an Italian pastry made with a lard dough that's then fried and it puffs up into these nice beautiful pillows. And it's perfect served with some soft cheeses, cold cuts. It's a nice addition to a charcuterie board. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. To start, add 100 milliliters of lukewarm water to a large bowl. 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Whisk it to combine and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, finely chop 1 sprig of rosemary. This is totally optional, but I like to add it to the gnocchos for extra taste. Once the yeast is activated, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of salt, and 3 heaping tablespoons of lard. Add the chopped rosemary. Again, this is optional. Mix and knead the dough with your hands until you have a nice and smooth dough. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise until the dough has doubled in size, about 1 to 2 hours. Next, transfer the dough to a working surface dusted with flour. Roll the dough out to about 1/8 of an inch, 3 millimeters thick. Then, using a knife or pizza cutter, cut it into squares or rectangles. Then, deep fry it in a large pot or fryer with hot vegetable oil or lard. The gnocchos should puff up nicely as they fry. Flip them and fry them until golden brown. Serve the gnocchos with some cold cut meats and soft cheeses. They also taste great on their own, or with different spreads. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.